Hello everyone, welcome back to another weather and traffic update from Meteorologist Blue. I'm Meteorologist Blue. I'll be giving you a traffic update and weather update today. So definitely sorry, I ran downstairs before this video. Okay, sorry everyone. So definitely there is 2 accidents on I-25, but hold on, 4 technically. So there's one, yeah. There's no. Oh, let's see if there's no traffic. Oh yeah, major accident on I-25 South. I will pause it once it gets there. So definitely after I record this, yeah. Oh, sorry everyone. Yeah, definitely looks like 2 accidents. Do not know. Southern lane on I-25 South, US 85 South, US 86 South from to exit 174 to exit due to an accident. Yeah. End time 6:49. This may be over, but we're not 100%. Oh, sorry, but and then after that, just looks like some yeah. I guess but there's not much going on. Looks like it will be putting I was gonna say where was I? So Denver to Castle Rock is 31 minutes. Yeah. So those like are the only 2 accidents that's kind of going on here. I mean 3, I guess. I mean there's nothing really. Yeah, there's just an accident. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah. Heavy traffic on I-25 Colorado Boulevard South. Lots of traffic there due to an accident too. But I mean, there's not much going on. Besides those 2 accidents, looks like there's some road closures. I am guessing by road closed. Yeah. Where's that going? I am guessing by maybe tonight or tomorrow that I-25 may be closed up, kind of going up here over by the mountains, because there is if we head over down to the radar, there is avalanche warnings out for I-25. It's right there, right above Pueblo. Where's Pueblo? Okay. There are what's the avalanche? Yeah, there's avalanche watches in winter. So this may be a big storm, but by Sunday it'll probably pass up over towards north. I'd say north. It would be passing up. No, south. It'd be going up south. If you do look at the radar, this is kind of what's going on. You probably got some of activity over here in Texas, but nothing. Just a severe storm warning that may push up to us. But this is gonna be a mixed proportion, so I'm guessing maybe this part here may come over towards us, but definitely nothing much for Colorado today. We'll probably definitely have maybe some snow tomorrow, so be prepared overnight. But there's really not much going on, and then of course like the warnings is just 5. Oh yeah, winter storm warning. Yeah, but if we do look here, this is today. It's just for. I was just gonna say there's kind of only a bit of kind of heavy snow over in the mountains, and just mixed proportion for Aurora, and then they're kind of just snowing. And then tomorrow heavy snow again for the mountains and mixed proportion too. And then and then Sunday, February 4th, looks like this still gonna be a bit mixed proportion. But I'm guessing if I look tomorrow, this green rain/thunderstorm may come up towards us, because today there is a severe thunderstorm possible over here for Texas. Houston, no, not Houston. I don't know, but it seems like it kind of turned, and then heavy rain, yeah. Not too much going on. I would say like definitely tomorrow. But comment down below if you guys want me to start doing live weather updates, like for the whole day. I guess like you get the morning like weather update, and then you have Thursday. Afternoon, and then yeah. But I don't know. Keep putting down in the comments if you guys want me to do like a live stream of the weather. I think that would be nice too. But definitely nothing much going on, so I think you guys should be fine, besides maybe some road closures up in the mountain. Yeah, definitely roads are going to be closed. I think definitely the mountain roads are going to be closed, just because because there's just avalanche where Esta Park roads closed. Highway 34 is closed from Colorado 278 US 36 to US 36 US 34, which is I think so this whole stretcher in Rocky Mountain National Park, 14,225 feet above sea level. This whole road's closed, and it's closed due to construction, I think, but it won't be. It'll be open in 2 months. This thing's almost been closed for a year. Start time was 10/12/2023 at 11 o'clock, and it will end at 4/28/2024 at 10:55 p.m. So this is definitely closed. Overflow River Road is closed, and then okay, so seems like this is a Overflow River, which is closed. No, it's more so up in Overflow River Road. Old Fall River. Sorry about that. But definitely, yeah. Maybe as the park is closed, and you got some construction, but just some road work. Nothing too major going on today, but definitely I'll check on tomorrow. So I hope you guys do have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next video, and also comment down below if you guys want me to do live weather. That would be kind of nice to do. So like if there's like a severe weather, I can keep you guys updated instead of trying to make videos and post them out as soon as possible. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you.